What is a VPN? How it protects your privacy. Whenever you visit a website, different pieces of information about your connection can be visible along the way. A VPN adds an extra layer of protection by hiding part of that information and making your browsing much more private. But how does it actually do that? What's happening behind the scenes? Imagine your data traveling through a private tunnel instead of an open highway. A VPN creates that tunnel using encryption, which scrambles your information so only the intended destination can understand it, even if someone tries to intercept it. What does it really hide? Besides protecting your data, a VPN also hides your IP address, which works like the address of your internet connection. As a result, websites see the VPN server instead of your real location, giving you more privacy while browsing. What changes in practice? This is especially useful when you're connected to public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in airports, hotels, or coffee shops. Even if other people are using the same network, it's much harder for anyone to view or capture the information you're sending. Does it make you invisible? This is where many people get confused. A VPN greatly improves your privacy, but it doesn't make you invisible online. If you log into a website or share personal information, that data is still known to the service you're using. In summary, a VPN is a tool that protects your connection by creating a secure path for your data and hiding your IP address. It doesn't eliminate every risk on the internet, but it makes it much harder for third parties to track your activity, giving you more privacy in your everyday browsing.